The Baidu Qianfan team has introduced Qianfan-OCR, a 4 billion parameter end-to-end document intelligence model that unifies document parsing, layout analysis, and document understanding within a single vision language architecture. Moving away from traditional multi-stage pipelines that chain separate modules, Qianfan-OCR performs direct image-to-Markdown conversion and supports various prompt-driven tasks such as table extraction, chart understanding, and document question answering. This unified design allows the model to retain full visual context throughout processing and eliminates the interstage error propagation typical of fragmented OCR systems. Qianfan-OCR utilizes a multimodal bridging architecture consisting of three primary components designed for high-resolution document processing. The vision encoder Qianfan-VIT employs an any-resolution design that tiles images into 448 by 448 patches, supporting variable resolution inputs up to 4K. This encoder can generate up to 4096 visual tokens per image, ensuring the spatial resolution necessary to recognize small fonts and dense text. A lightweight cross-modal adapter consisting of a two-layer MLP with GELU activation projects these visual features into the language model's embedding space. The system's backbone is the Qwen3-4B language model, which contains 4B total parameters, 36 layers, and a native 32K context window. To optimize efficiency, the backbone utilizes grouped query attention (GQA), which reduces KV cache memory usage by 4 times. The layout as thought mechanism is an optional thinking phase triggered by tokens that enables the model to generate structured layout representations, including bounding boxes, element types, and reading order before producing the final output. This process serves to recover explicit layout analysis capabilities such as element localization and type classification, which are often lost in traditional end-to-end paradigms. Evaluations on benchmarks like OmniDocBench version 1.5 show that this feature provides a consistent advantage for documents with high layout label entropy, such as those containing complex mixtures of text, formulas, and diagrams. To maintain efficiency, bounding box coordinates are represented as dedicated special tokens, which reduces the character count of the thinking phase by approximately 50% compared to using plain digit sequences. Qianfan OCR was extensively evaluated against both specialized OCR systems and general vision language models (VLMs) to establish its performance across various document intelligence tasks. The model achieved a score of 93.12 on OmniDocBench version 1.5, ranking first among all end-to-end models and surpassing competitors such as DeepSeek OCR version 2 and Gemini-3 Pro. It also led the end-to-end category on the OlmOCR bench with a score of 79.8 and achieved the highest score on OCR bench at 880. In key information extraction (KIE) benchmarks, Qianfan OCR attained the highest overall mean score of 87.9, outperforming significantly larger architectures like the 235B-parameter Qwen3-VL and state-of-the-art commercial models including Gemini 3.1 Pro and Gemini 3 Pro.